Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here in the workshop. It's Free Tool Friday. And to start with, I'm going to make mention that the past winner of the TayTools, number 5.5, did not claim his prize. So tonight, I will be drawing a new winner from the old video. So it was a short video, I believe, and it was called Free Tool Friday number 3, I think. So that's going to be announced tomorrow. Then nobody stepped up to claim the chisel sharpening kit, the flattening kit, the glass with the abrasives. Nobody stepped up for that. So today we are going to have a new Free Tool Friday. But tonight, I will also pick the winner of the Lake Erie's Toolworks 2 3/8 inch CPM MagnaCut blade. That will be going to a lucky winner. So there's that. So that brings us to Free Tool Friday for July 25th. And this will be posted tonight and it'll run for a week. So today's Free Tool Friday is going to be the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system, along with the Taylor Toolworks chisel flattening kit. So these sort of all work together because you use the chisel flattening kit to flatten the back of your hand plane blade, okay, or the face, whichever you want to call it, the cutting edge side. So we use that on the glass to flatten that, and then you would use the drill press sharpening system to set your bevel with the 80 grit. You can use the top 220 grit if you need to do some chisel back flattening. This works great for chisels, by the way. And then there is the final disc, which currently I took off the 220 that I used because it was pretty well worn. So I figured I'd take it off for you. And I've cleaned the strop on the back, which is another thing we'll talk about in another video. So you get everything that you see here: the Cubitron discs, the strop, the jig, the 25-degree angle jig, the flattening plate, everything. So we have to come up with a hashtag. So hashtag sharp, SHARP. Hashtag sharp is the keyword that you have to put in the comment section of this video to be drawn next week. Okay? You'll have a week to share this video with your friends and to make sure you get a chance to see it and enter. So if you'd like to try the drill press sharpening system, this is Free Tool Friday today. So just for a short period of time, there'll still be a chance to get your entry in for the CPM MagnaCut and also for the Taylor Toolworks 5.5. So we have Taylor Toolworks to thank for the drill press sharpening system, the chisel back flattening kit, and the number 5.5. And then we have Lake Erie Toolworks to thank for the CPM MagnaCut. There's going to be more giveaways, but if I don't get these out to winners, they're just taking up space. So that's it for this video. Hashtag sharp for the sharpening system. Head out to your workshop. Make some room on your drill press in case you win this. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.